Hmm. Oh, hello there. Diatom Dave here at Fun Science Cheltenham with two very exciting bits of news. Firstly, the action-packed, award-winning Fun Science Holiday Club is coming to Cheltenham this half-term. I'm talking rockets, planets, explosions, slime, dinosaurs, you name it, we're doing it. To find out more and book your place, join our Holiday Club's Facebook group. It's at tinyurl.com/CheltSci-Club. Or you can join our mailing list by going to funscience.org.uk/Cheltenham. Secondly, if you're watching this before Saturday the 19th of September, then you can come and check out Fun Science for free. Yes, we're hosting a special free slime making workshop at Gallagher Retail Park on Saturday the 19th of September from 10 a.m. But if you've missed that one, don't despair. Get yourself to the Fun Science Holiday Club. tinyurl.com/CheltSci-Club. Now, if you'll excuse me. Yeah.